Open it up. Sorry about the camera. There you go. That one was shiny. I don't know if the camera did it justice, but damn, they all that shit. They all chrome. That one that would look good, as I said before, ain't got no match to the new ones. They chrome, baby. And then we gonna pop them in right there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll do one with the camera. I don't know much. I never keep enough memory. You know what I'm saying? Let's try to pop one in. Hopefully it's easy. We're gonna try to pop one in real quick. While the camera's rolling. Alright, let's see.